Hi, I'm Jamie.
And I'm Tracy.
And welcome back to our channel.
This channel is all about transforming everyday items and materials into new, amazing things.
And we're super excited today because today is our first video of a new series that we like to call
The Great British Makeover.
Boom!
The Great British Make-Off, or hashtag GBMO, is a new weekly series where Jamie and I will go head to head in a makeover challenge.
Yep, that's right. Each week we'll take it in turns to surprise each other with an object or material which we have to transform into something new.
Once we've got our item or our material that we have to remake, we're going to go off, gather our materials and tools and come back for the head-to-head makeover challenge.
However, we're going to put a partition between us so we won't have a clue what each other are making.
Until the big reveal at the end.
I have absolutely no idea what you've chosen and I'm both excited and anxious to find out.
Okay, so this week we are going to be making something from
cereal boxes. Okay, right.
This is something that we have a lot of in our house.
I'm going to need to think about this, but I'm looking forward to this.
Cool, okay.
Do you know what you're making?
Not really. I know what you can make with this, but I want to do something, because it's the first one, and I've given you the material. I feel like I have to do something really amazing.
You do, definitely. So do I.
Okay, so we're going to go and get our thinking hats on, do some research and gather some materials to see what we're going to make.
Absolutely.
See you then.
See you soon. Okay, so we're back and we're ready to start making. So here are the materials and equipment that I'll be using to make this.
Okay, so I've decided to make, because I think it's the best use of the material, this is what I'm going to be using. The main thing, and I was really excited when I saw this because I didn't think about using this, was this, which again is reused. An old, which I was quite excited about, and lots of this.
This is really weird.
It is some glue and a paintbrush. And finally, one of these. Now I've never used this before, so I'm gonna have a go. I'm gonna put the name of it here.
Excellent. Well, that took some time. Right. So Tracy, are we ready?
I'm ready.
So what are we going to do then?
Let's remake it.
Okay, so the first stage for me is to cut this out and then stick this on, and I think I might need to cut out of these in order to make it a bit stronger, but we'll see. So I'll start with. Okay, Tracy, what's the first thing you've got to do?
I have no clue what you're talking about. Okay, so yes, the first thing I'm going to do is obviously, I haven't even taken the ready break out of here yet, so I need to do something with that. And then I'm going to flatten this and cut it out as well, and also put that with that.
Whoa!
I finished cutting my cereal box out, I can actually say that, because I was going to cut this out here. But now I'm thinking, actually, when I look at this, this is pretty spot on. I'm now going to cover this with this. What about you?
So I'm just now cutting around here to make this nice and tidy. And then when I've done that, I'm going to attach this area here to that area there. That should make it stronger.
Okay, so shall we carry on?
Yeah, let's carry on. sellotape. Ooh, that's a bit of a hack.
I've made the main thing. What about you?
I've also made the main thing.
I need to make the inside, which is the second bit. So for that, I'm going to use this and these, which I have never used before.
Okay, well I'll be using this to cut these out, which is why I've gone for the pattern that I've gone for. This is what I'll be using to seal the entire thing.
Okay, so we'll be back when we finish stage 2, is that right?
Yep.
Yep, okay, cool.
See you then.
See you then.
Okay, so I've finished the second stage of my make and I'm really pleased with it. Now I'm about to move on to my third stage, which is covering what I've made in this. And this will give it a shine and it will also make it more durable. Tracy.
Yeah, I've finished my second stage and I'm really, really liking this. So let's finish these off, yeah?
Yeah, okay. Oh, you got sweets. Crisps. You actually eating crisps?
No.
It's epic what you're doing.
It's not epic.
Right, we've finished. So, it's time now. We're finished, aren't we, Tracy? I'm finished.
I'm finished. Well, I finished before you, as you know, but...
Yeah. Tracy finished before me.
Yeah.
That's because I had to just do some more cutting. Okay, you ready? Show each other?
Should we put the boxes over and then we can kind of... Yeah?
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. Alright, let me get Twin Telepathy thing. Get that off. Right, you ready, Tracy? This is like epic. It's been such a long time. Right, you ready? Right, 3, 2, 1, go.
Oh my gosh!
Wow!
You've got me on there! I can't look past the fact that you put a photograph of me on there. I mean, I love the idea. That is an absolutely brilliant idea.
Yeah.
Could you put something else on?
I knew you'd like that. Okay, so
okay.
I absolutely love that binder.
Yep, there you go.
Brilliant. So this was made of one cereal box. So there's like a pattern for a jigsaw puzzle, which is sticked on to the back of the cereal box. I then cut it out with a knife, and you know you can take the part.
That's amazing.
Wow. Apart,
that's amazing.
Like that.
That's amazing.
Yep.
Yeah.
So that's my jigsaw puzzle made from a cereal box.
I really like it when it's more like that.
Okay, so tell me about your file.
It's a scrapbook. It could be a folder, a binder, a scrapbook.
That's really cool, that.
Everything is kind of reused, nothing's new.
Amazing.
Yeah, it's amazing. And this is actually wallpaper.
Wow, no way.
Yeah,
that is
wallpaper.
Beautiful. It's got a really nice texture on it.
Yeah, it's really nice. That is the cereal box.
Clever.
Just basically lots of reused papers. Some from the scrap shop, some from old colouring books and music books.
I think that's fantastic. I think that's a really good job. Well done.
Head over to, in the comments, please let us know what you think of the challenge and what you liked about each project. This is our first one. We'll probably get better. And everything has been the first time we've done this. So please, any suggestions for materials that you'd like to see us challenge each other with, then please let us know. Okay, so that's the end of our video. We really hope you enjoyed it. I had great fun doing this challenge.
I've really, really enjoyed this.
So thank you for watching, and please, if you did like this video, give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.
Yeah, don't forget to follow us on Instagram and we'll see you really soon. Bye!
Bye!